Happy Saturday! This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. I am so glad that you're watching today. If you're new here, I am happy that you found my channel and I hope you'll subscribe. I come out with a new video every single Saturday at 11 o'clock Eastern Time. And if you're not new here, I am so happy that you're back and I love you guys for watching. And hey, I had an idea. I saw somebody else do this on their Facebook or on their YouTube, and I thought, I'm gonna ask my readers to do the same. Would you mind sharing my video, this video, on your Facebook page and tell your friends about it so they can find this channel as well? I would so appreciate that. I thought, oh my goodness, what a great idea. So I hope you'll do me that favor today. And at the end, just hit there's a little share button. You can copy the link, just put it on your Facebook page and tell others about this channel. Okay, so what are we gonna do today? Well, I am taking two pair of jeans, last year's jeans and this year's jeans, and showing you the same outfits and how much more modern by just changing out the jeans to something that's on trend and in style, and changing out the shoes, something compared to what I wore last year to what I can wear this year, or what's in style, and how different the looks look. I also added to most of them this year's trending accessories. Now, I also wore the same accessories in the before picture. It's not really a before picture, it looks fine. It's just last year's outfit, right? But I'm using this year's accessories probably on both of the outfits. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the first outfit. The first outfit is the skinny jeans from last year with black Skechers sneakers. I've got a graphic tee on with it. Now, graphic tees don't seem to be super popular this season, but we have them in our wardrobe and they're kind of fun sometimes to put on, run errands, wear a blazer over or something. But so there's that look. It's fine, right? Last year's look, it's fine. Now look at the same graphic tee paired with this year's relaxed fit jeans and a pair of crisp white sneakers. Look at the difference in the look. I love it. Now I did add, I think I added in this picture did I add it to that? I don't know if I did, my bag. But let me see, did I might not have my bag in that photo. But if I did, we'll talk about that in a little bit. But I might have added a purse to some of these after pictures because my bag that I'm carrying for this season matches my hair. That's one of the tricks we do around here. If you want to spend a little more on your bag, match your hair, and then it will go with everything in your wardrobe. It also has the chain handles on it, and that's very much on trend this season as well. So I may be showing the bag in a couple of the after pictures. All right, now let's go ahead and move to the second outfit. The last year's skinny jeans, white blouse. White blouse tucked in, because that's kind of how, I would either wear it tucked in or I'd wear it all the way out, right? Just, kind of tunic style. And then I have the same black sneakers on with this. Let's take a look at the after picture. Also, the before picture, I don't have any accessories on with that. The after photo, let's say 2022, fall 2022 photo, the same white blouse, except what I've done this time, I've added the relaxed fit jeans and I still have the white sneakers on with that, okay? Now, what I've done though is what's kind of happening in the fashion world this year is you're taking a white blouse, and this is a longer blouse in the back, so it kind of covers, all the way in the back, rear end, below that. But you tuck one side, you unbutton up a couple, you tuck one side of the shirt in the front, and you leave the other one out. And it's kind of a cute look, especially if you're wearing a crossover bag or something with it. But notice that what I also did with this is I did add the big pearl necklace from last week when I talked about trends. I added that Gobstopper, is that how you say it? Gobstopper, big pearl necklace with that. And I have my bag with that look. So there you go, last year's look to this year's look, just by changing out a couple of things, the jeans and the shoes for sure, and then doing something a little different with the blouse. Okay, let's take a look at look number 3. So last year's look, skinny jeans, same skinny jeans, and I have an orange patterned linen blouse on. I also have the trending necklace, the unfinished arc, and so it's got a leather strap on it, and so I've got that on with it, okay? But the shoes that I have on, I wore last year. In fact, I got them last fall. They're by Piccolino. They're a leather, really comfortable, little wedge, have a kind of a sling back in the back. Wore those a lot. Really, I mean, great shoes. All right, now let's take a look at what this year's look looks like with taking that same blouse, same necklace, and this time adding the relaxed fit jeans and orange loafers. So colorful loafers are very much trending this season, and I love the look. I think it modernizes it. I think it's really a very classy look. I love it. So there you go with look number 3. We've got one more look to go. So look number 4 is, here's our last year's look, skinny jeans, same Piccolino shoes. All right, because that's what I wore last year, same ones. But I have a scarf and a blazer. Now, I almost didn't add the scarf to this last year's look because I didn't really wear scarves last year. I don't know that they were trending that much, but I thought I just really wanted you to see just the difference. I didn't want you to be distracted by, okay, well, she has, maybe that's the difference and the scarf looks nice. So I really wanted, it looks good in the after or this year's picture, not the other. So that's why I put the scarf on in that. So kind of, it's not a distraction. So, but take a look at skinny jeans, right? Piccolino shoes. Now let's look at this year's photo, this year's trending look with the same upper. I even have this jewelry on, the sparkly jewelry. I've got sparkly earrings on in before and after look, both. And I've got the relaxed fit jeans, and I have leopard flats on in that photo because leopard flats, animal print is really, really just really showing up on the runways this year. They're showing up in stores, animal print of all kinds you're gonna find. But look at the difference for an app 2021 versus 2022. It's amazing to me what you can do to stylize your outfits just by changing out 1 or 2 pieces. 1, making sure that you've got a pair of on-trend jeans, and 2, changing out the shoes. And so there you have it. I hope that you'll do me that favor and share this video on your Facebook page. Would really mean a lot to me. Next Saturday is the launch of the Fall Closet Outfit Planner. And so on the 10th, mark it on your calendars. Oh, it's yummy, it's amazing, it's incredible, and I think you're gonna love it. But until next week, I hope you have an amazing Labor Day weekend, and I will see you soon. Okay, thanks for being here. Bye-bye.